Poring over the phrases. A guide to pour the gravy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a flavorful phrase that's sure to add some zest to your English vocabulary. Pour the gravy. This phrase, rich in cultural context, is not just about cooking, but it's also about adding something extra or enhancing a situation. Let's explore this together. Pour the gravy literally refers to the action of pouring gravy, which is a sauce often made from the juices of meats that are cooked over food to add flavor. However, in English, this phrase has taken on a figurative meaning. It's used to describe the act of adding something extra to make a good situation even better, much like gravy adds flavor to a meal. Understanding when and how to use pour the gravy is key to sounding like a native speaker. This phrase is often used in informal settings. For example, if someone says, "The party was great," and the live music really poured the gravy, they mean that the live music enhanced an already enjoyable situation. The phrase, pour the gravy, is deeply rooted in cultures where gravy is a staple part of the cuisine, particularly in the United States and the United Kingdom. It reflects the idea that gravy is a finishing touch that makes a good meal even better. This cultural connection makes the phrase a delightful addition to your conversational English. To help you master this phrase, here are a few exercises. 1. Think of a situation that was good but then became even better. How would you describe it using pour the gravy? 2. Create a sentence where pour the gravy can be used both literally and figuratively. And there you have it, folks. Pour the gravy is more than just about food. It's a flavorful way to express enhancement in English. We hope this video has been informative and fun. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be pouring the gravy on your English conversations with ease.